Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display custom header or different header on all posts or specific posts in WordPress in Elementor Pro. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin, and this is our post. So we are going to display custom header on all posts or specific posts. Now go to header. So this is our default header. Now you see display entire site. So this header we created. So we are going to display this header on all or specific posts in Elementor Pro WordPress. And then you see update. So you can create header according to requirement. And then you see save option. So click on it. And then you see display condition. So click on it. And then you see where do you want to display your template. Add condition. You see include entire site. Now select. You see singular. Now select. And then you see all singular. Again select. And then you see post. Now select. If you want, you can display this header on all posts. Now you see all. First click on save. Now you see update. Update done. Go to post page and refresh the page. Now you see header change. Now open another post. So click on it. And then you see header change. Now we are going to display this header on specific post. Now you see decorative. Now copy. Back to Elementor. Again click on save option. Display condition. Now you see all. So click on it. Now add post name. Decorative. Now you see select. And then click on save and close. Now update done. Go to post. Now refresh the page. So this is our another post. Now you see default header. Now go to specific post and refresh the page. And then you see different header or custom header show on specific post. So it's up to you. If you want, you can display header on all posts or specific posts in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.